Hi, this is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com. If you like making cake, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to be talking about the type of cake pans that we use most commonly. Right, so we like a nice aluminum cake pan. It gives you a really soft heat. It'll give you a nice even rise, right? So it's not gonna let the cake crust too early and give you that big dome in the middle. Sometimes you see in the darker metal pans. It has a nice rolled top that'll help keep it from warping and makes it nice and sturdy. And it gives you a nice even heat in the oven, so it'll keep you from burning your product and having issues like that, right? When we use them, I like the 3-inch high sides. It allows me to bake tall layers if I want to, but you can still use less batter in the pan and bake slimmer layers. They are available in other heights, right, in the same sizes, but this means that you can only bake a 2-inch layer, right? So I just get the 3s and I stick with those because then I can bake whatever size that I need. If I'm going to use them, I'll use whatever I'm going to grease my pan with, whether it's shortening, butter, spray. If you're going to coat it with flour, I'm going to coat the bottom and the sides. I'm going to take a piece of parchment that I've cut that fits the bottom of the pan, right? You can buy these parchment rounds in pre-cut sizes. So if you do, say, a lot of 6- and 8-inch round cakes, maybe if you have a little home baking business or a bakery, you can buy them pre-cut, or you can cut them yourselves out of larger pieces of parchment, right? And then I'm also going to grease the top of the paper, right? If you're doing a kind of cake that requires you to flour it, then this is a good time to flour the pan, right? That means that this parchment can't stick to the bottom of the pan, and it also can't stick to the cake, which will give you a nice, easy release, right? When you're done, cleaning is easy, nice warm soap and water. Let them dry completely before you can stack them and store them. If you liked this video, please check out more on our Insta and our YouTube.